Once again, Pillsbury Boy, and we got a Freddy Link. Not too many episodes are going to be with him. Today we're doing Rumble Falls. Not the best map, but it ain't the worst. We got Skyward. We got not all the maps, but some pretty good ones. So back to Freddy.
Now, were you trying to talk to me, Fred?
Yeah. Freddy's mom.
Hi. Posting the video on YouTube of Super Smash Bros. Then right now, I'm winning.
Yeah, because everybody else is on puny. Good job, Freddy.
Ow. Oh, yeah.
You know, we'll put them on nasty and I would kick their butt. Okay, so today it's not only going to be about Super Smash Bros. We have Angry Bird slippers.
I hope you don't make fun of my slippers.
Okay, so we're going to give you a tour of the room. Here is some of Freddy's toys. Here's his closet. That's a pretty big closet. That's a big closet. That's his books and such. Yu-Gi-Oh! Comment if you can see the Yu-Gi-Oh! And back to Super Smash Bros.
Thank you for calling 911. Our offices are closed because...
Okay guys, that's all the time we have for today. Bye!